Wow, sweet devs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Walrus on your Ubuntu PC. So if you're like me and you don't like reading documentations, this video is for you. So I'm going to be heading over to the Walrus documentation, which is docs.swal.app. Then I'm going to get over to setup. So come over to setup, you would see a guide on how to install Walrus. We're going to make it straightforward for you. So let's head over to our terminal. Let's open our Windows terminal. So before we can be able to install Walrus, we have to make sure we have SWI installed on our PC. So to do that, let's check the version. So we're going to do SWI version to check for SWI installation. Then we have SWI installed. If you don't have SWI installed on your PC, I have a tutorial showing how to install SWI on both on Windows and Linux. So going back to the documentation, we're not using call to install this Walrus CLI. You can also use cargo, but I'm going to be using call because it's actually faster. So this installation script. So we can install for Walrus mainnets, this for testnet, and here is to, if you already have Walrus installed on your PC and want to update it, you have to run this command. So for now, I'm going to be installing Walrus on testnet. So first of all, if I install it, let me check my active environments and make sure I'm on testnet. So active, env, SWI clients. So if you look at it, I am on testnet. So I don't think I have minutes on my PC right now, so I'm just going to be heading over to testnet. So if you want to work with testnet, can just switch. Sorry, it's also with work minutes, can switch with minutes. So I'm going to be running this command here. I'm going to paste it here to install. So let's switch for it. It's going to take much of our time. So we're done installing Walrus. So after installing, there's one thing you have to do. He said here, make sure that this command it's your directories are in your path. So to do that, let me run this command. So I'm going to be running this command here. I'm going to be running it. So that's all. We're done installing Walrus. So to check if it's installed, let's run this command, Walrus help. So if you look at it now, we have Walrus CLI installed on our PC. So it's quite straightforward for also the Mac user, as you can see on this command, but it's kind of different for the Windows user. So I will also try to do the installation process for Windows user. So after installing Walrus, we still have to run the configuration. So to do that, the best way to do that is to run this command. So I'm going to copy this command and I'll head over back to my terminal. Then I'll run this command, paste and run the command. So if you get this error that says this no file directory, so if you get that error, there's one thing you have to do. So it means that there is no directory called .config/Walrus. So to get that running out and to solve the problem, we have to make a directory. So we can just do mkdir -p, then just run this command .config. So I'm going to be creating a folder called config/Walrus. So in the config folder, I'm going to be creating another folder called Walrus. So after I run this command, I can go ahead again and paste. I can go back here, copy this command, I come back here to paste it. Then this time it should be installed. So we've successfully set up our Walrus brand configuration. So if I come here again and run these commands, so we have the clients config here. So we've actually configured Walrus. So this is how to set up Walrus on your Ubuntu PC. It's actually almost the same for the Mac users. So for Windows users, kind of different. You can also choose to use Cargo to install it. So you can also choose to use Cargo to install Walrus. So, but I would say using Call is faster than using Cargo. So in the next tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to interact with Walrus using your CLI. So if you have any collision or you run into issues while installing Walrus, you can just hit me up on TG or X. My DMs are open, or you can just drop your questions or your errors on the CLI on the comment section. I will try my best to make sure I solve the problems you're having. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.